Hello, welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have a bit of a mystery. When I first looked in here, I thought, oh, well, there's a little hunk of cardboard in there. Maybe that's what's causing the trouble. But then I take this cartridge and I just go to put it in, and it doesn't want to go in on this side. So somehow I think this is a little bent. I've never had this before, and I'm not sure exactly what to do, so all I'm going to try and do... Oh, shit. Okay, don't do that. Okay, yeah, that didn't go well. Okay, note to self. Don't refund the cartridge for it in an old plastic case. What I've just done is break the case. The two, oh yeah. Dum dum dum. There, I don't know if you can see that, but the little feet that should be inside of the case here are no longer. They broke off, and now they're stuck. Well, does it matter that they're there? Not really, because when I put this back together, I'm going to put the thing back in. So I guess what I can do now is pull on this with a little more vigor and give it a tweak upwards and outwards without... Well, I don't need to worry about damaging the case now. I've already broken it. Okay, so now if I put that back in there, I have tweaked this a little, and I go to put a cartridge in. Oh yeah, and now it goes in. So, note to self: you ever run into a Commodore 64 where you have trouble getting the cartridges in, and you're thinking about trying to take your thumbs and go at the metal case on the top, it can be done. Just take it out of the case first. Yeah, that could have gone better. Oh well. What do you expect from 45-year-old plastic? Anyway, thanks for coming. We'll run some diagnostics next. Bye for now.